Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn on your portrait mode on Snapchat. It's a very easy and simple process. It works both on Android as well as on iPhone. So let's begin. Just open your Snapchat, and as you can see on the right side there's an arrow below the music one. Just tap on the arrow, and on the second last option, as you can see, it's written focus. So just tap on focus and just try to take a picture of yourself or something. It's up to you, whatever you want to take, just take the picture, and then you can see the result that it will be in portrait mode. So I have taken few pictures, so let me show you. So this one, I have taken this picture, and this is without a portrait one, without a focus one. And as you can see, this one, this I have taken with the focus by using the focus one, which is also known as portrait. And you can see the difference between them, that the pictures are kind of different from each other. So maybe you won't see any difference, but this is the way to how to turn on your portrait mode. Let me show you once again. Just tap on the arrow and then tap on focus. Just try to take a picture of yourself, and then try to take a picture without the focus on, and you will see the result. So this is the way how to turn on your portrait mode on Snapchat.